The Dental Smart Market provides an overview of your entire machine park within the My Machines area. Every machine that you had registered will be listed here so that you'll have an advanced machine management tool. A machine not registered by you as the end user will not be shown here. The serial number of the machine and the expiration date of the warranty are important data that you can already see at first glance. In the header line, you see on the left the status of your machine, whether the registration of your machine is pending while it is being checked by our company, or whether its registration is already verified. And, most important, you see what is the machine doing at the moment. Is it in standby mode, thus ready to receive a job, indicated by a green dot? Or is it currently processing, indicated by a blue dot? Is it currently powered off, gray dot? Or is a reference run required, yellow dot? A fault, for example, would be indicated by a red dot. Let's take a look at the details information. For example, in the case of this machine, the overview provides information on machine type, manufacturing date, warranty and maintenance facts. The footer area of the overview gives options to purchase additional services. In the Activities tab, it is logged for the machine which measures were taken at which time and which person had been carrying out the measure. In this example, a maintenance on 4th of May in 2023 had taken place, where a timing belt had been exchanged together with other action, and see the person who did it. By the New Activity button, at any time the service technician can log additional maintenance, service and support measures he had taken. In the comment field in detail, in the summary field rather short. Later, the summary contents directly show up, while the comments need a further click. The Downloads tab leads to the resources that are offered precisely for the selected machine. Here you will find the current materials that serve a smooth operation. In the Support tab, the relevant dealer is displayed who, according to your choice, will carry out the first-level support as well as the maintenance work at your site. The registration of a machine shall be carried out only by the end user of the machine. That means a distributor is not meant to register a sold machine in the name of his client. A distributor can register his own machine or machines which he had loaned for his own purpose. Please enter the serial number of the machine in the correct mode. You'll find the serial number at the backside of your machine as part of the machine type sticker. Even older machines with a slightly different serial number code can be registered. Take advantage of the various opportunities in the machine management of the Dental Smart Market.